Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with a new topic, that is squares and square roots from 8th class NCERT. Today's session about the introduction of the squares. Later we discuss about the square roots, but in this session we are going to introduce about the squares. Properties of a square numbers. This is the part of this, but firstly we have to know about the what is a square. You know about the square, that is nothing but it has four sides with equal length and equal breadth. It means all sides are equal in length. So if you see this, it is near to square. So how much length of the four sides is equal? If you take here 3.5 centimeters, here also 3.5 centimeters, here also 3.5 centimeters, here also 3.5 centimeters as the side of the square. It means side. In case, if you find the square area, then you will get the formula like side by side. It means side by side. It means it tells you one side into another side. It means two or is equal, right? This is a square example. You know that how much length of this side is equal to this side. Similarly, this side and this side also. Here it seems to be equal amount of lengths. That is four sides. If we want to find the area of the square, we have to do is side by side multiplication. So how it can be written as 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter, here also centimeter. See here 3.5 whole square centimeter square also. It means this square is said to be our part of the lesson, that is the square introduction. This is just example. Now going through the squares, we know that the numbers, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, let it be n. How it must be going to square? If you take square as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and so on, here also n square. It means how much result here? 1. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25 and so on, here n square. The number multiplied by itself, it is called square. If you see here 1 into 1 equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 2, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Similarly, n into n, that is equal to n square. We are probably denoting it as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. These are the representation of the square. It means in the head, it means power. This is the base. If you take if you take square, this is the power of the number. This is the base. We can also pronounce 2 power of 2. But in generally we are pronouncing it as 2 square. 2 square. This is the pronunciation and representation of the square. See here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and square. These all are said to be perfect squares. These are all said to be perfect squares. It means there is no negotiations between these numbers. If you multiply 2 into 2, we get 4. If you multiply 3 into 3, we get 9. Similarly, if you multiply n by n, it means n square. These are called as a perfect squares. Next, coming to the properties of a square numbers. We know that square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are the numbers. Now, we have to know about the properties of a square numbers. Here we are having 5 properties of a square numbers. In generally, we are maximum used in this chapter. Those are 5. So, let's start. 1 is adding triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. Next one is numbers between square numbers. Number between square numbers. Third one is adding odd numbers. Fourth one is a sum of consecutive natural numbers. And finally, fifth one is product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. These are in general we are using properties of a square numbers. In earlier sessions we are going to solve problems by using properties of a square numbers. So this is about the introduction of the square and its properties. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with a topic that is properties of a square number, some more interesting patterns of a square from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Now coming to the table, this is the table about the properties of a square numbers. These are the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. These are the square numbers according to the 1 to 20 numbers. We have to study this table and I will explain through this table how square numbers can get easily by observing the given number. See here 1, 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Similarly up to 20 we have 400. If you check unit digit place, it means ones place. Here we get 1, 4 and 9, 6, 5. Again we get 6 here. Again we get 9. Again we get 4. Again we get 1. Here we have to add 0. Next here 11 and we get 121. It is 1, 144, 4. Again in ones place we get 9, 6, 5. 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. If you observe this table, we get only these 6 numbers as the ones place. If you take any number, it must be having unit digit as these numbers. If you start with any number, there is a ones place with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. None of the numbers, it means 2, 3 and 7, 8. These are the digits. None of the square can be formed. Because if you observe these patterns, we get only 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 at ones place. But none of the number get the 2, 3, 7, 8 as a ones place. So this is the best property of a square numbers. By observing the ones place, we can estimate it as a square number that is also perfect square. That means these 6 numbers, if in case in ones place, then we will find the square number easily. Next, coming to the some more interesting patterns of a square. In earlier session, we already discussed about the some more interesting patterns of a square. Those are 1. Adding triangle numbers. Here we know that triangle numbers. Do you remember the triangle numbers? Let us recall 1 representing as like this. Next to 3 representing like a triangle. See this? This is a way of triangle. And next coming to the 6. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and finally we get 6. This is also a triangular number. Next coming to the 10, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the triangular numbers. And next 15 and some are there. But now coming to here, adding triangle numbers. If you use 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. How we get 4? It must be like 1, 2 and 3, and this is the 1. This is the one triangle and this is the 1. How we can represent it as 2 square, right? If we add 3 and 6, how will we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3. We get 9. It means 3 plus 6. Here 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. It means 3 square. If you add 6 plus 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Add this 6 to this 10. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. It means it is a 4 square. Here we can observe one thing. Adding triangular numbers, it means by using two consecutive triangle numbers, by adding two consecutive triangle numbers, we got a perfect square number. That is the main thing here. That is, if we sum up the two consecutive triangular numbers, we get results as a square number. This is the one of the best property of a square number. See, if you add these consecutive triangle numbers, then we will get perfect square. Next, coming to here, numbers between square numbers. See, 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25. I am using these squares for this example because of it is easy to understand, right? So, if you compare here 1 square, it means 1. 2 square, it get 4. Between these two, we get 2, 3. Two numbers are there. Next, coming to here, 2 square, 3 square, it 4 and this is 9. Here we get 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 4 numbers. Here we get 2 numbers as the result. If you compare 4 square and 5 square, 16 and 25. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 as the between numbers of these two squares. Here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers as the. If you prolong this, 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 49. These two between, how many numbers are there? In any case, we can solve this as 2, 4, 8. If in case bigger numbers are there, how can we find the numbers between the square numbers? There is a simple formula for this. Let it be, this is n square and this is n plus 1 square. How it must be? If you take here 1 square, this is 1 plus 1 square. If you check this, 3 as a n and n square means 3 square, n plus 1 square, it means 3 plus 1, it get 4 square, right? If the numbers is n square and n plus 1 square, the result is n plus 1 whole square minus n square is equal to, if you solve this, we get the problem like 2n 1 plus 1. If you check this, n square plus 2n plus n, 1 minus n square cancel. Here 2n plus 1 as the answer. So, if you take any number, here 2n plus 1, if you apply this to this, n means 1, right? So, 2 into 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, we get 4. Sorry, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1 as equal to 3. Here we get 3, but here is 2. That is the trick here to know, that is non-square numbers between two square numbers, that means n square, n plus 1 square, we get 2n plus 1, but it is 1 less than the difference of two squares. I will explain you clearly. See, here we get n square and n plus 1 square. But how we are going to write n plus 1 square minus n square? Here the difference of two squares, it is equal to the 1 less than the difference of two squares. We get 2n plus 1 minus 1. In this case, minus 1 cancel, we get 2n. This is the answer for to find the numbers between a square numbers. Those are non-square numbers. Next, third one is sum of consecutive natural numbers. Here, by using consecutive natural numbers, that is the sum of consecutive natural numbers, we can get a square. That is, we have to prove here. See, if you take 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square, 11 square, etc. How can be written as 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 49, 9 square 81, 11 square as 121. Now, by using two consecutive natural numbers, by adding their by sum of the two consecutive natural numbers, we get the answer. If you check, this is represent as 4 plus 5. Next, 25 as 12 plus 13. If you represent 49 as 24 plus 25. If you represent 81 as 40 plus 41. Similarly, 121 as the 60 plus 61. See, 4, 5, 12, 13, 24, 25, 40, 41, 60, 61. By observing these, we get one formula, that is n square minus 1 by 2 plus n square plus 1 by 2. This is the formula to get the sum of consecutive natural numbers. If you check this, let it be n as 3. N is equal to 3. How we are going to get n square? 3 square minus 1 by 2 plus 3 square plus 1 by 2. Here 3 square minus 1, we get 3 square 9 minus 1 by 2 plus 9 plus 1 by 2. 9 minus 1, we get 8 by 2 plus 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. Here 4 plus 5, it gives you 9, that is as 3 square. This is the what we have to prove. If you take another number randomly, let's take 7 as the n, that is 7. How it can be? 7 square minus 1 by 2 plus 7 square plus 1 by 2. 49 minus 1 by 2 plus 49 plus 1 by 2. Here 49 minus 1, 48 by 2 plus 50 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 25s are 24 plus 25 is equal to 49, that is 7 square. This is the n we chosen. This is the two numbers we are adding. This is the result what we have to do. This is about the sum of the consecutive natural numbers. Next, coming to the fourth one, adding odd numbers. By using adding odd numbers, we get a square. This is also another property of a square. Let's consider taking odd numbers from 1. So, odd numbers, we know that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. By using odd numbers addition, we get a square number. How it can be? See, 1 odd number, it is get 1 square, that is 1. If you see, by adding two odd numbers, it means 1 plus 3, 2 odd. 4, it means 2 square, it is 4. If you take 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to here, 5. It gets 3 odd numbers, right? So now how we are getting 5, 3, 1. It means 9. 3 square is equal to 9. Similarly, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Here we have 4 odd numbers. It means 4 square. We get 16. 7 plus 3, 10. 15, 16. Similarly, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 odd numbers. Here we get 5 square as the answer. It is 25. 9 plus 1, 10. 15, 25. See, if you observe these 5 patterns, example, 1 odd number, it means 1 square. 2 odd numbers, it is 2 squares. 3 odd numbers, 3 square. 4 odd numbers, 4 square. Here, how many odd numbers are we are adding? That is equal to the that much square number. 5 odd numbers, 5 square, that is 25. If you take 6 odd numbers, it is must be as 36. Check it. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. It is 6 odd numbers. Obviously 6 is square. But apart from this, 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 10, 30, 36. It is right? So, this is the property of adding odd numbers. How we can written it as, if the number is a square number, it has to be the sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1. This is the property adding odd numbers. Next, finally, product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. Here in case of product of natural numbers, that is also two consecutive even or odd, anything. So if you take as example, 11 into 13 is equal to 143. How we can represent it as 12 square minus 1. Here 12 square minus 1 written as 12 square minus 1 square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. The answer is a plus b into a minus b. So it can be written as 12 minus 1 into 12 plus 1 as the answer. Similarly, if you take any two numbers like 13 into 15, two consecutive odd numbers these are also. Let's take here 14 minus 1 into 14 plus 1. It's like 14 square minus 1. If you take even numbers like 44 into 46, how it can be written as 45 minus 1 into 45 plus 1. It is as 45 square minus 1. In generally, we can say it as a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. This is the form of the product of two consecutive even or odd numbers, that is also natural numbers, to get a perfect square. These are the basic properties and interesting facts about the squares. There are so many ways to project a square number by using natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, product or sum or subtraction. These are the basic things. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.1 from Squares and Square Roots-8th class NCERT. Question number 1. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? These are the questions I took randomly. Here 272, 3853, 26,387, 99,880, 5,05,555. These are the 5 questions I took randomly. So now we have to tell the unit digit of the squares of the following. Here, simple thing is we have to take the unit digit of the given number and make it as a square. Then represent the square of the unit digit. So, let's take here unit digit as 2. Unit digit 2. Square. Square. It means 2 square. That is equal to 4. Now the answer is the unit digit of the square is 4. Next, similarly here also, unit digit equal to 3. Square is equal to 9. Here, the unit digit of the square is 9. Next, coming to here, unit digit we have 7. Square, it means 7 square, 49. Here, in this case, we have to represent as a 9 in its unit digit. So, the unit digit of the square is 9 again. Next, here also 99,880. Unit digit we have 0. Unit digit equal to 0. Square is equal to 0. Simply the answer also 0. The unit digit of the square is equal to 0. Similarly, this also, see, unit digit is 4. That means in ones place. 5. Unit digit is equal to 5. Make it as square. Square. 5 square, that is 25. Now we have to represent as a 5. The unit digit of the square is 5. This is about this session. I hope you understand. Unit digit of the square is nothing but take the given number and find the ones place number. Make it as a square. In that square, what is the unit digit is the answer. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.1 from Squares and Square Roots-8th class-ncert. Question number 3. The squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? These are the questions: 431, 2826, 7779, 82,004. These are the questions. We have to find the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers. In this case, we have to find which is the square would be a odd number. In order to check the square, no need to check it as a square number. There is a simple thing, that is the property of a squares. Check the description box about that link. Now here, squares of which of the following would be odd number. In order to find the odd number, the square maybe we have to check. In simple way, we can check it either odd number, it not be a odd number. So let's start with here. Take the all unit digit places, it means ones places, and make it as a square. Then we will get an odd number. It is an odd square. If you get even, it's not a non-odd number or even number. Let's take here. Unit digit is 1. Make it as square. We get 1 square is equal to 1. 1 is odd, right? So, square of 431, it means given number, would be an odd number. By using simple method, that is the unit digit number, by using that we can say it is either odd or not. Next, coming to here, take the unit digit again. Unit digit is equal 6. Make it as square again. 6 square is equal to 36. In this case, here we don't have two numbers. It is in ones place. But here ones place and tens place. But consider only ones place. This is 6. It is even number. So, square of 2826 would not be an odd number because of we get a unit digit place as a even number, so that's why it's not be an odd number. Similarly, this also unit digit is equal to 9, square is equal to 9 square, that is 81. In this place we have 1, so this is also be odd number. Square of 7779 would be an odd number. Next, finally, this 82,004. So unit digit is equal to 4, square equal to 4 square, and square of 82,004 would not be. It means 4 square is equal to 16. In this place we have 6. It not be an odd number. So would not be an odd number. This is about this session. See here, if they gave any number, we have to find the unit digit first of all, then make it as a square. In that, in case we get one number, there is no bother about it. If we get ones place, tens place, then take again unit digit place. It must be odd, then its square of the number also odd. If it is not an odd number, it not be an odd number, either maybe even number also. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.1 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 6. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. This is the pattern. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Up to here, they filled the equation, but coming to here, there are some numbers are missing. 4 square plus 5 square dash square is equal to 21 square. 5 square plus dash square plus 30 square equal to 31 square. 6 square plus 7 square plus dash square is equal to dash square. In these dashes, we have to fill up the appropriate exact answer to equal the LHS side and as well as RHS side also. So let's study these three cases, then we will get the some idea about this pattern. See, this is 1 square, 2 square and 2 square again. It like 1 square plus 2 square plus here 1 into 2 square. See, a square plus b square plus a into b whole square. This is the formula, a square plus b square plus a into b whole square. It is equal to the a square plus b square minus a into b whole square. If you apply this, see, 1 square here already we applied. So coming to here, 1 square plus 2 square minus 1 into 2 whole square. By simplifying this, we get answer. See here, 1 square plus 2 square minus 1 into 2, 2 whole square. Now, 1 plus 4 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square, 3 square. This is the answer, right? Similarly, this pattern also, if you check here, this is 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 3 whole square. It gets as 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 3 as per this equation. Similarly, this also. If we get this to this, 4 square plus 5 square plus 4 into 5 whole square. Let it be A, this is the B and this is the C and this is the D. Okay, 4 into 5 whole square is equal to the pattern is 4 square plus 5 square minus 4 into 5 whole square. Now, if you solve this, 4 square plus 5 square is already there. 4 into 5, 20 square. So, here A is 4 square plus 5 square plus 20 square is equal to 21 square. This is the one. Next, coming to this, 5 square plus b square, it means we don't know, but it is 30. It means 5 into 6, it gets 30, right? So 6 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. It is simple. So b is equal to 5 square plus 6 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. And finally, we have this 6 square plus 7 square plus 6 into 7 whole square is equal to the 6 square plus 7 square minus 6 into 7 whole square. By solving this equation, we get both C and D values. So 6 square is equal to 36 plus 7 square is equal to 49 minus 6 sevens are 42 whole square. This is 6 square plus 7 square plus 42 square. 36 plus 49, it is 85 minus 42 whole square. So it is 43 square. It is as the 6 square plus 7 square plus 6c square. It means 42 square is equal to 43 square. If you compare these three, here A 20, but answer is 21 square. Here 30, 31 square. Here 42, and this is the 43 square. This is the pattern according to this formula. This is about this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.1 from Squares and Square Roots-8th class NCERT, question number 7. Without adding, find this sum. These are the three questions. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. And coming to the third one, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23. In this case, we can see only odd numbers. We know that odd is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Even 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. But here, in this case, we have only odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. By using addition of odd numbers, we get the square. In earlier sessions, I already explained you. Check the description box. Now, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. So it is the case of first 5 odd numbers. It means it is as a square of 5 square, 5 odd numbers. If in case there is a 6 odd numbers, that is going to be 6 square. If there is a 2 odd numbers, that is first 2 odd numbers, it is as 2 square. Similarly, this is as 5 square, 25. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is the first 10 odd numbers. And also said to be first sum of 10 odd numbers also. It is obviously 20 square. It is 100 as the answer. If you check third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means first 12 odd numbers. So how it can be 12 square is equal to 144. If you want to check this, see 9 plus 1, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 20, 25, right? Similarly here also 19 plus 1, 20, 17 plus 3, 20, here 20, another 20, 5 plus 15, 20, 7 plus 13, another 20, 9 plus 11, another 20, 5 20s are 100, right? This is the answer. Similarly here also. 1 plus 23, 24. 21 plus 3, again 24. 19 plus 5, again we get 24. 17 plus 7, again we get 24. 15 plus 9, we get 24. Similarly 11 plus 13, we get another 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 24s are 144. It is nothing but 12 square. 12 square is equal to the here 12 odd numbers. Here also 10 odd numbers. Here also 5 odd numbers. This is about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.1 from Squares and Square Roots-8th class NCERT. Question number 8. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Here express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. We know that odd numbers is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, etc. By using these odd numbers, we have to express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. By using odd numbers, we have to express. So let's take 1 as a question 49. We know that the property of the squares, that is from first, it means 1 to add numbers, then we will get the 7 square here. 7 square is nothing but 49. If you add 11 odd numbers, we get 11 square 121. So this is the relation according to the properties of a square. Check the description box for the properties of the squares. Now here 49. In order to get 49, what is the square number? 7 square. So 7 square from first 1, 2. This is the 5, 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 odd numbers expressed as a 49. If you want to check this, see 13 plus 1, 14. 11 plus 3, again 14. 9 plus 5, again 14. This is the 7. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 7, 19, 49. We get the answer 49, right? Similarly, number 2, express 121, right? So in order to get 121, what we have to do? 11 square. 11 square means 11 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Up to here we have 7. Now add 11 numbers. 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you want to check this, 21 plus 1, 22. 19 plus 3, 22. 17 plus 5, 22. 15 plus 7, 22. And 13 plus 9, 22. It is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2s are 10, 11. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 121 as the answer here, here and also. So this is the question 1, this is the question 2. By checking these two, we get the answer, right? This is about the property. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with the topic finding the squares of a number from Squares and Square Roots-8th class NCERT. Here is the topic about the finding the squares of a number. What is the finding the squares of a number? We know the how to make a square to give a number. Let it be like 3 square. We know that 3 into 3 is equal to 9. If you take 4 square, 4 into 4 is equal to 16, right? 10 into 10, it means 10 square is equal to 100. We know that. 50 square is equal to 50 into 50. We don't know. It takes just much of time. If you take 29 square, it takes also just much of time. We don't know find how to in easy way. This is easy because of we know the tables up to 20 or 25. More than 25, how we are going to add that? No, we cannot square all the numbers at the particular time. If you take other numbers like 330, no, we cannot do the square for the given number. So that's why finding the square number of a number. If they given any number, we have to make it easy way. That is the topic we are going to discuss now. So finding the square of a number. Let's take a number like 23. How it can be represented in simple way? 20 plus 3. Now we are going to make it as square. It means 23 square is equal to 20 plus 3 square is correct for this. Now 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3 as a square, right? Now here 20 into 20 plus 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. I can write it as, see, take this number and multiply with this. Take this number and multiply with this, but we have a common plus value here. Now 20 into 20 plus 20 into 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3 into 3. Now 20 into 20 means 400 plus 20 into 3, we know that 60 plus again 60, 3 3s are 9. 400 plus 120 plus 9. This is equal to 400, 500 and 529 as the answer. It is equal to 23 square. I am explaining you with a formula here. See, this is as given number is equal to n. Let it be as a plus b whole square. Now a plus b into a plus b. Here a into a plus b into a plus b. Like a square plus ab plus b square. That is as a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. This is the way we have to solve the given number. For any number, by using this formula, we can get the square of the given number. Let's take another problem as 39. How it can be written as 39 as 30 plus 9. 39 square is equal to 30 plus 9 whole square. Now here we are having a as 30 and b as 9, right? By using this formula, how we are going to get a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now a square 30 square plus b square 9 square plus 2 into 30 into 9. Now 30 square is equal to 900 plus 9 square is equal to 81. 2 into 30 60, 69 are 540, right? So by adding 900, 540 plus 81, 1, 12, 15. 1521 as the answer for this given square number. I am giving one question here to find the square of a number, that is 28. You have to find 28 square. I am doing it as simple way, 20 plus 8. I want the answer in a comment box. Please comment this answer in a comment section. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with the topic that is Pythagorean Triplet from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Here we are going to discuss about the Pythagorean triplets. Apart from triplets, we know the Pythagoras. It means there is a hypotenuse opposite to the right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular leg and this is the base. The sum of ABC. Sum of AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is the theorem. We learn the proof from the Pythagorean theorem, right? Based on this problem, we have a Pythagorean triplets. It means 3 numbers. 3 numbers. Those numbers are satisfies this condition. It means if you take 2, 3, 4, apply this. Let it be this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Now 2 square plus 3 square is equal to 4 square. Check this. 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square is equal to 16. This is 13 is equal to 16. No, it's not equal. It does not contains the Pythagorean triplets. In our natural numbers, we have generally Pythagorean triplets. Those are 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13. These are the Pythagorean triplets generally we are used. If you check this method like 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Here 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. Similarly 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. Here 36 plus 8 is 64 is equal to 100. Here also 100 is equal to 100. Both LHS and RHS should be equal for this triplets only. We know that in a Pythagoras theorem, based on this formula, either triangle may be right angle triangle or not is the theorem about the Pythagorean theorem. Apart from that, there is a Pythagorean triplets like this. So 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. 5 square is equal to 25. 12 square 144. 13 square 169. Here 169 is equal to 169. This is also Pythagorean triplets. We can find any Pythagorean triplets based on the one formula, that is for any natural number m is greater than 1. We have the formula as 2m whole square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Here 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. These are the triplets of a Pythagorean. Can you understand? I will explain it again. 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Let it be this side as 2m. Like this. See, this is a right angle triangle 90 degrees. Let it be side 2m. This is m square minus 1. This is m square plus 1. Based on this formula, 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to the hypotenuse, that is m square plus 1 square. So, based on this Pythagorean theorem, this is the formula to find the Pythagorean triplets. So 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Here m is a natural number. It must be greater than the 1. That is the condition for find the Pythagorean triplets. If you take m as a example, number is 12. Now we have to find the m value. 2m is equal to 12. M is equal to 12 by 6. 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. M is equal to 6. Now apply this m into m square minus 1 and as well as m square plus 1 also. Now m square 6 square minus 1. Here 6 square plus 1. 6 square means 36 minus 1. 6 square 36 plus 1. Here 35 and this is 37. Now in this case 6, 35 and 37. These three are the Pythagorean triplets. If you want to check this into this formula, that is 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. By using these values, we will get the answer. Check it. 6 square plus 35 square is equal to 37 square. Now 6 square is equal to 36. Here one value is 12 and it is 12 square. It means 144 plus 35 square means 1225 is equal to the 1369. Now if we add 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 2 3 1. This is 1369. See here, this is satisfies, that is 12, 35, 37 are the Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. So this is about the Pythagorean triplets and how to find a Pythagorean triplets based on the simple formula. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.2 from the Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 1. Find the square of the following numbers. Question number 1, 32, 86 and 71. In earlier sessions, I already explained to you about the how to find the square of a given number. Check the description box. And now coming to here, 32. We have to find square. 32 square. It means we can write it as 30 plus 2 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is 30 and b is 2. A is equal to 30 as well as b is equal to 2. Now substitute each of the value. 30 whole square plus 2 whole square plus 2 into 30 into 2. Now 30 square means 900 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6. Here it is multiplication value. 2 30s are 60, 62s are 120. Now let it add 900 plus 120 plus 4. This here 900 plus 120 plus 4. 1024. 1024 is the answer for this question. Next coming to 86. This is also same like this. So 86 is equal to 86 square. Now we have to find the square, right? So that's why I am writing it as now 80 plus 6 whole square. Now apply the a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to the a plus b whole square. Now here a is equal to 80 and b is equal to 6. Now apply these two values into this. Now 80 square plus b is equal to 6 square plus 2 into a 80 b 6. Now 6400 plus 6 square is equal to 36. 2 80s are 160. 160 into 6, 960. Now add 6400, 960, 36. 6, 9, 13, 7. 7396. That is 86 square is equal to 7396 is the answer. Here also 32 square is equal to the 1024 is the answer for this question. Next coming to here 71. Implies 71 square. 70 plus 1 whole square. Now without formula I am using because of we already know the formula and already explained by two problems. So that's why I am writing it is directly. Now 70 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 70 into 1. 70 square is equal to 4900 plus 1. 2 into 70, 140 into 1, it means 140. Now by adding 4900, 141. 1 4 10 5. 5041 is the square of the 71 square. So 71 square is equal to 5041 is the answer for this question. This is about the squaring a number of the given number. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.2 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 14 and 18. Here two numbers I took. In earlier sessions we already discussed about the Pythagorean triplet, how to find a Pythagorean triplet with a simple formula. Check the description box. And here 14 and 18 is the one of the number of a Pythagorean triplet. We know the formula, that is 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Here m we have to find and substitute it into these two values. Pythagorean triplets are 2m, m square minus 1 whole square, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These are the three Pythagorean triplets. Now This is the 14, right? 2m is equal to 14. M is equal to 14 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. M is equal to 7. Now substitute this into m square. M square minus 1. M square means 7 square minus 1. It means 7 square is equal to 49 minus 1. That is 48. Now another one is m square plus 1. Same 7 square plus 1. 49 plus 1. 50. So these are the 2m is equal to 14. M square minus 1 is equal to 48. M square plus 1 is equal to 50. If you get these three Pythagorean triplets, these are the Pythagorean triplets 14, 48, 50. 14, 48, 50 are the Pythagorean triplets. Next, coming to this also, same formula, 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These are the three Pythagorean triplets. 2m is equal to 18, m is equal to 18 by 2, that is 9. Substitute m value into these two values. So m square minus 1 is equal to 9 square minus 1. M square plus 1 is equal to 9 square plus 1. 9 square 81 minus 1. 9 square 81 plus 1. Here 80 and this is 82. Here is the Pythagorean triplets, that is 18, 80 and 82 are the Pythagorean triplets of the given question. This is about this question. These are the Pythagorean triplets based on the given formula. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with the topic that is Introduction of Square Roots from Squares and Square Roots from 8th class NCERT. Here is the discussion about the square roots. In earlier sessions we already discussed about the squares, but now we are going to discuss about the square roots. So let's start the introduction of the square roots. Now we know that area of the square, that is, if you take a square with a side A, we know that all sides of a square is equal in length. So how would be the area of a square? We are going to find a square, that is side by side, right? Here we have square. If we take a Pythagoras property, we are familiar with the Pythagoras property. We know that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Here we have to find in terms of square also. Next, another one is take any triangle, that is right angle triangle. Two sides are known and another side is unknown. We have to find it in a way of this property similarly. So x square plus 5 square is equal to 7 square. This is the formula in terms of this square. Here we are having all or in terms of square, but here we are discussing about the square roots. Here we know that plus inversion is minus. Multiplication inversion is division. Similarly, square, it means inversion is square root. Square root and square are the inverse to each other. So that is the topic we are going to discuss about. So let's start here finding square roots. How to find a square roots? I already explained you here. Here plus is opposite to the negative. That means addition is opposite to the subtraction, right? Similarly, another one, multiplication is opposite to the division. Here multiplication is opposite to the division. Vice versa again. Here square is opposite to the square root. Representing like x square opposite to the root over x, like this. These are the vice versa operations to find the square roots in terms of, like, for example, 1 square is equal to 1. Now square root of 1 is 1 again. If you take 2 square is equal to 4, right? Now square root of 4 is equal to 2. Can we write like that? Yes, we can write like that. Next, coming to the other one, 3 square is equal to 9. Similarly, square root of 9 is equal to 3. If you take 16, what is the square root of 16? 4. Because of 4 into 4, root over 16 is equal to 4. This is the inversion of the, this is the opposite sign about the finding square root in a simple method. Therefore, 5 square is equal to 25 and root over 25 is equal to 5, right? 6 square 36. Here root over 36 is equal to 6, right? Similarly, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square, etc. These are the finding square roots in a basic form. If you given any small value, we can find it easily in this way. Next, coming to the second topic, finding square root through repeated subtraction. In earlier sessions, we discussed about the addition of the squares. But here, finding square root through repeated subtraction. Here it is. In squares, we can add first 5 odd numbers. Then it is said to be 5 square. If you add first 9 odd numbers, then it is said to be 9 square. In this also, we are using subtraction to the square roots. We know that square is opposite to the square root, right? So in a square root, how we can say it as subtract first, that is 1, to any successive or natural numbers, right? I will explain you here. If you take the number 49, now we know odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, etc. Now 49. Take 49, subtract from 1 to any successive odd natural number. So 49 minus 1, we get 48. Then 48 minus 3, use this one, is equal to 45. Now 45 minus 5, we get 40. Similarly, now 40 minus 7 is equal to 33. 33 minus 9, we get 24. 24 minus 11, we get 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 13. Here, 13 minus 13, we get 0. Here up to how many numbers we are subtracted the given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means it is the 49 square root of is equal to 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, we got the 0. So square root is equal to 7. I will repeat it again. Take the given number to find the square root. In order to find the square root, we have to subtract from 1 to the any successive or natural numbers. So start from 1, 49 minus 1, 48. Repeat the same procedure up to you will get 0. Here we get 0, then count how many odd natural numbers we are subtracted. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So square root of the given number is 7. If you take number 121, please give the answer in a comment section for this question, that is 121. How will you get the square root of this number? By using finding square root through repeated subtraction method. Give the answer in a comment box. I hope you will give it. Next, coming to the third one, finding square root through prime factorization for any given number. By using that, we have to find the square root. So let's take any number to find the square root. I am taking 324 number. Make prime factorization for this number. Then I will explain you. 324. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and 4, 2 2s are 4, right? Again by 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Now by taking 3, 3 2s are 6 and 21 left, 3 7s are 21. Now again 3 9s are 27. Again we will get by 3 3s are 9. So this is the prime factorization. How it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. It means 4 3s, right? Now this is the prime factorization for this given number. Now how to find a square root to the given number is make a pairs by that number only. This is one pair and this is the another pair and this is the another pair. Now take one number from the pair. So this is 2 into, from this 3, from this again 3. Now 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 324 root over is equal to the 18. If you want to confirm this, 18 into 18, 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 144, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1, 4, 12, 3. 324 is the correct for this. Yes, we are absolutely correct. Now I am giving another number to this finding prime factorization. Leave your answer in a comment box. I am giving number 64. Please do that in a way of prime factorization to find the square root. Please comment below. Don't forget about this. This is about the finding square root by 3 methods. One is finding square root. Second one is finding square root through repeated subtraction. And third one is finding square root through prime factorization. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on in comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.3 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 3. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of subtraction. By using subtraction, that is, we have to find the square root of 100 and 169. In earlier sessions, we already discussed about that. Now, let's start. Square root of 100. Next here, square root of 169. Okay. Now, let's start. We know that subtract from 1. So start from 1. It will goes through up to 0. So start 100 minus 1. We get 99. Now use 99 minus, we know odd numbers. Odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 13, 15, 17, 19. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29 up to 30 I wrote. So 99 minus 3 next number gets 96. Now 96 minus 5, that is 91. 91 minus 7, 84. 84 minus 9, we get 75. 75 minus next number is 11. So 64. 64 minus 13. 51. 51 minus 15 is equal to 36. Now 36 minus 17 is equal to 19. Next 19 minus 19. It gets 0, right? So here ends up the subtraction process. Now count the how many odd numbers we are often used here up to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So by using 10 numbers we are repeatedly subtract the given square roots. Here we get 0. It is a perfect square. Now square root of 100 is equal to the 10, or else root over 100 is equal to 10. This is the answer for this question. Next, coming to the here, second one. Let's start again. 169 minus 1. We get 168. Next, 168 minus 3. 165. 165 minus 5. We get 160. 160 minus 7. 153. 153 minus 9. We get 144. 144 minus 11 is equal to 133. 133 minus 13. 120. 120 minus 15. We get 105. 105 minus 17. We get 88. 88 minus 19. Here we get 69. 69 minus 21. Here we get 48. 48 minus 23. We get 25. Finally, 25 minus, here also we got 25 after 23. So here is 0. The process ends up with a 0. So it is a perfect square. Now the square root of 169 is about to find, that is how many repeated subtracted we are done by using the odd numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 numbers. So here 169 square root of is equal to the 13 is the answer for this question. So this is about the repeated subtraction method by using the odd numbers. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.3 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 4. Find the square roots of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. In earlier session, we already completed about the prime factorization to find the square root. Check the description box. Question is 400, 9604, 8100. Here is the 3 questions I took randomly. Now let's start with the one, that is 400. We know that prime factorization is done by the only prime numbers. 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 1s are 2. Here we have again the chance of 2 50s are. Again we have chance 2 25s are. Now here we have to apply 5 5s are. Now write the prime factorization for 400. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 400, right? Now make the prime factorization according to the square roots. It means make a pair up with the numbers. So 2 into 2. Here again 2 into 2. This is one pair. This is another pair. This is also finally one pair. Now take only one number from the pair. 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So root over 400 is equal to the 20. This is the answer from the prime factorization method. Next, similarly this also 9604. Use prime factorization. 2 4s are 8, 16 remaining. 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 2s are 4. Now again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 1s are. Now here we get by 7. 7 3s are 21. Here remaining 3, 3 0 30, 7 4s are 28, remains 2, 2 21, 7 3s are 21 again. So let's take again 7, 7 4s are 28, remains 6, 6 3, 63, 7 9s are 63, 49. Here we know 7 7s are 49. So this is the prime factorization for this. So write 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now make up it is as pairs. 2 into 2 7 into 7, 7 into 7. I am making gaps for the understanding purpose for pairing. Now take only one number from the pair. So 2 into 7 into 7. 2 sevens are 14. 14 sevens are 98. So 98 is the square for the given square root of 9604. This is the answer. Next, coming to the last one. Here 8100. Again prime factorization by 2. 2 4s are 8. 0. 2 50s are. Again by 2. 2 2s are 4. 0. 2 25s are. Next, by 2 7 7 2 9. By using 3 we get 3 6 are 18. Remaining 2 22. 3 7s are 21. 15. 3 5s are. Again by 3. 3 2s are 6. Again 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Next, again by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. By 3 again 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are. Now here 5 5s are 25. Write up 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 is equal to 8100. Now make it as pair. 2 into 2 as 1 and 3 into 3 as another one, 3 into 3 as another one, and 5 into 5 as another one. Here also this is the best to understand. See here. Now take only one number from the pair. 2 into 3 into again 3 into 5. Here we get 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. So square root of 8100 is equal to 90. This is the prime factorization method to find the square root of the given number. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with the exercise 6.3 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT question number 5. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtain. Here we have to do two things. One is make a prime factorization for the given number. Then if it is not a perfect square, we have to find the perfect square by using the another number. If we get a perfect square, then we have to make another prime factorization for the given number. Find out the square root of the given number. This is the main theme of the given question. So let's start with the answer. Make 180 square root by prime factorization. So by using 2 90s are, because of 2 9s are 18, 0. Again by 2 4s are 8, 5. Now 3 1s are 3, 15, 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 180. Now pair up this. 2 into 2 as one pair, 3 into 3 as another pair, but 5 does not have any pair. Now we have to do is, it should be multiplied. Now multiply with 5 to the 180 degrees. Here there is no pair to the 5, number 5. So multiply 180 by 5 to get perfect square. Now 180 into 5 is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 4, 900. Now this is the new number. New number is equal to 900. Now a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtain. This is the obtained number, right? It is a perfect square. Now use this number as a prime factorization. Find the square root of the new number. So take another prime factorization here for the new number. 2 4s are 8, 10 2 5s are 0. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 again, 10 2 5s are. Now use 3. 3 7s are 21. 5, 15 here. 3 5s are 15. Now use again 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Now do the prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 is equal to 900. Now pair up is completed. Now take the one number from each pair. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So finally root over 900 is equal to the 30. This is the method for the given question. Similarly, make this also. Take prime factorization here. 2028 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 0. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. In between 0, 2 7s are 14. Again here we get by 3 because of 7 plus 5, 12. It is divisible by 3. So use 3 here. 3 1s are 3. Here 2 is left. 2 0 20. 3 6 are 18, 27. 3 9s are 27. Now use 13 here. 13 13s are 169. Make a prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13 is equal to the 2028. But it is not a perfect square because of here 3 is left. Now multiply 2028 into 3. We get a perfect square. 2028 by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6. 7 8 0. 3 2s are 6. We get new number. New number, that is 6084. It is a perfect square also. Now find the prime factorization for the new number. 6084. Start with a 2. 2 3s are 6. 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 1. Now by using 3 we get 3 5s are 15. 0 3 7s are 21. Again by 3 here we get 169. It means 3 1s are 3, 20 left. 3 6 are 18, 2 left, 27. 3 9s are 27, right? 13 13. So prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. Make it as single number 3 13. Here 13 2s are 26. 26 3s are 78. So root over 6084 is equal to the 78 is the answer for the given question. So this is about the given question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.3 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 6. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. In earlier session we are discussed about the multiplied number, but here we have to do is divided. So let's start here. So take 252 as a prime factorization number. Make it as prime factors. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 12 is remain 2 6s are. By 2 again, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are. Now by using 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again by 3, 3 7s are. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. But here we don't have a pair for the given prime factorization. Now here we have to divide. So it cannot be paired. So what we have to do is divide 252 by 7. So 252 divided by 7 is equal to the 36. Now make the prime factorization for the 36th. So now new number is 36. Make prime factorization for the 36. 36 here again by 2. 2 ones are 2, 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here we get a paired numbers. Now 2 into 3. Take one single number from the pair. 2 3s are 6. 60 is the perfect square of the 36. So root over 36 is equal to the 6. This is the answer for this one. Next, similarly this also. Make the prime factorization. 2 6 4 5. Here starts with a 5. Sorry. 5 5s are 25. 1 is left. 14. So 5 2s are 10. 45. 5 9s are. Again by it is the perfect square. 23 by 23. 529. So here we get again by 23. It is 1. Now make it as pairs as 5 into 23 into 23. Here we cannot pair 5. So can't pair 5. So we have to do divide. So divide 2645 by 5. So the answer is 529, because see, we divide 2645 by 5, we get 529. Here also 529. So let's make, this is the new number, that is 529. So now let's make prime factorization for the 529. So 529, it is again by like this, 23 23, again by 23 it gets 1. So 23 into 23, it makes a perfect pair. So take one of the number from the pair. Root over 529 is equal to the 23. So this is the answer for this question. This is simple. I will explain it again. Take the given number and make prime factorization. If there is any number can't be paired, then here they described either multiplication or division. Here divided. So divide the given number through the can't pair number. So we get a new number. By using that new number, we have to make a square root. So make prime factorization for the obtained number, that is new number also. Make prime factorization, make pairs and take one of the number from the pair. Now multiply the answer, that is the answer for the square root of the new number. This is the process to find the given prime factorization square number. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.3 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 8. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. Here 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden, but here one trick is each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. How many numbers of plants in a row, that is equal to the number of, if you take 4 rows, then the plants also be 4 in each row. That is the main concept here. So if you take this example 4 by 4, see here, this is square, right? So here by using square root we have to find the number of rows. We have to make each number, that row is equal to the also number of plants. So that is the concept here. So let's start. Assume the number of rows as R, number of rows. Okay. Now the number of plants in each row is equal to R, because of As many plants as the number of rows each row contains. So it means how many number of plants are there, then how many rows are is equal to the number of plants also. So these are RR. Now total number of plants by the garden is equal to the R into R, that is R square. Now this R square is equal to 2025, correct, because of here the plants are equal to this, right? Now make the R, it means root over 2025. We have to find the R here. Therefore R is equal to how much? So in order to find the R, we have to make the prime factorization for the given number. So take 2025 as the prime factorization number. Start with the 5. 5 4s are 20. In between 0, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. Now here get 3. 3 2s are 6. 21 is remaining. 3 7s are 21. Now here 3 9s are 27. Again by 3 3s are. Again by 3 1s are. Now take prime factorization here. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now this is paired, right? So R, that is equal to root over 2025. Take the single number from the pair. 5 into 3 into 3 is equal to R, that is equal to root over 2025. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45 is equal to R, that is equal to root over 2025. So here R means number of rows and also number of plants in each row. It means the final answer is the number of rows is equal to the number of plants in each row is equal to R. Finally R is equal to 45. So this is the answer for this given question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with a exercise 6.3 from Squares and Square Roots-8th class NCERT. Question number 10. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 8, 15 and 20. Here is the three numbers given, but we have to find the smallest square number. It is divisible by these three numbers. Here in these three terms we can say it is make as LCM method. Then we have to find the square number. Okay, let's start with the LCM method. Take LCM, least common multiple, because of smallest number they want. So 8 to 8, 15, 20. 8, 15, 20. So by using 2 4s are 8. 15 is remaining, 2 10s are. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 15 again and 2 5s are. Again by 2, 2 1s are 15, 5. Again by 5, 1, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are. Now here by 3, 1, 1, 1. Now it is in the form of LCM. So let's make 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Now make it as pairs. So 2 into 2 we have a pair, but we don't have a pairs for 2, 5, 3. So 2, 5, 3 can't be paired. What we have to do? Multiply these three numbers. 2 into 5 into 3 we get 30. Now we have to find the smallest number to the given these three numbers, but here we got 30, right? Which number we have to multiply? So now multiply this number to get a LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 3s are 120. Now multiply 120 by 30 to get a perfect square. That is also smallest square number. So now 120 into 30. 120 into 30, 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. 3600. That is 3600. Hence, the smallest square number is 3600 is divisible by 8, 15 and 20. So this is the method to find the square number by using LCM method also. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with a new topic, that is finding square roots by division method from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Here is the topic about the square root by using division method. We already know some methods, that is finding square root, that is easiest way. We can say it by using tables also. Second one is subtraction of odd numbers, and third one is prime factorization. We are familiar with these three methods, right? Here we are familiar with these three methods, right? But here finding square roots by division method is for the bigger numbers. Here we find by using tables. Root over 36 is equal to 6, root over 16 is equal to 4. In case of subtraction of odd numbers, we are going through the subtraction of the odd numbers from 1 to any number. It will get 0. Then how many numbers are odd numbers are we are subtracted? That is the square root of the number. But coming to the prime factorization, this is also given number getting by prime factorization, that is the by only prime numbers only. But here square roots by division method is for the bigger number, that is also large numbers, for large numbers only, because of it will take 2 seconds or 3 seconds for the first method. Second method it will take only 2 minutes, or prime factorization takes 5 minutes. But in case of large numbers, there what method we have to use is, that is the division method. I will explain with the example, then you will get better understanding, I hope. So if you take one number, that is 529, this is the square root we have to find. Now how we are going to find? There is a small steps. First one, take the number for the division method like 529. Now first step is start from ones digit. Make pair or a bar. See here, start from ones, make a bar, and this is single, right? So let's start from here only. This is the first step. So remaining start procedure. Okay. If you take, if there is another pair, there is no need to bother. Start again like this. So I am taking with the 2. Now second step is we have to divide this number. So according to that, take divisor as here in between. It is not by greater than, not by less than, in between the given number. So if you take here 5, here 5, how it can be? 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 6. So this is in between, right? So like if you use 2, now 2 twos are 4. 1 is left and 2 9, 129. Third one is, take this quotient. Take quotient as double. Here take the 2 and double it. It means 2 twos are 4 left here, because of 129 is divisible by one number, that is the number here. So if you see, this is 9. If you multiply 43 by 3, see 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Yeah, it is estimation number. So let's take 3 here. This 3 is at the here. Now 129. Here we get 0. Now how can we write as root over 529 is equal to the 23. This is the answer for this question. I will explain it again in another problem. If you take another number, that is 4096. 4096 is the number I took. We have to find the root over for this one. So take as like this 4096. Now take start from ones digit, make pair, that is bars remaining, start the procedure. So make the bars first of all. Here we have pairs. Now we have to multiply these two numbers now, right, from the leftmost one. This is the 40. By using 40 here, see, it must be like this, more than the number and less than the number. Here is the two numbers, 6 square and 7 square. 7 square 49, 6 square 36, but 40 is in the middle, right? So I am taking 36. So 6 6 are 36. Now remaining is 4, 96. Write down the as it is. Now third one, take quotient as double. This quotient as double. It means 6 2s are 12. Take a gap here for the multiplication by the quotient. So here is the 12. Now 496. We have to hit the 496 with the what the number here it is. So if you take near 4, 12 into 4. Sorry, 124 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9. 4 1s are 4. So it must be 4. Here also 4. This 4 at 4. This 4 at 4. Right? These two numbers are same at all time. 124 4. 124 4s are 496. Answer is 0. Now root over 4096 is equal to the 64. That is the quotient here. Here also quotient 64. This is the answer for this one. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is square roots of decimals from the Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Here is the topic about the square roots of the decimals. In earlier sessions we discussed about the square roots of natural numbers and here about the decimals. So let's start. This is according to the division method for the square roots. So let's start with the division method. I hope you are familiar with the division method of square roots. Let's take one number, then you will get the better understanding about the how to get a square root of a decimal. So I am taking 17.64 as the question. So we have to find the root over of 17.64. Now take the square root division method. So 17.64. Now as usual, take step 1 as make pair bars and start from left. So here make pairs. First start with the 17. The number is 17, but in between this, see, 4 square, 5 square, 16, 17, 25. It is less than the 25. It is greater than 16. So here 16 is eligible for the division. 4 4s are 16. Here 1 is left. 1 6 4. Now take the total number 164. Second step is double the quotient. Here 4 is 4 2s are 8. Now left the blank. Now 164 is divisible with a one number, that is with the here and here also. Now what is the number here? If you take 2, 82 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 164 is right. So use this 2 is here, use this 2 is at here. Now put a point, because of here we are using after the point also. Now 82 164 0. Therefore root over 17.64 is equal to the 4.2 as the answer. I will explain it again. See, here is the 17.64 is the given one. Make the pair bars. Start from left one and choose this one as between the two perfect square numbers. So this is the 17 in between 4 square and 5 square. So let's take with a small number for the best divisible purpose. So 16 is the 4 4s are 16. So quotient is 4. 4 4s are 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. Now write down 64 as it is. Now here 164 as the answer. We have to divide this as into the 0. That is the process of the finding, right? So in order to get 164, we have to multiply with one number, that is here and here also with only one number. So choose the appropriate. Here we have 4. It means 2 2s are 4, right? So 82 into 2, it is just rough estimation. It might be correct here. So 164 by 164. Here we have to think one is here number and here number. These two numbers are the same numbers for the making it a 0 point. So this is the answer 4.2 for this question. I will explain with another question also. Take 12.25 as the square root of the given number we have to find. Similarly, take 12.25. Now make pair bars here and here. Start from left and here we can tell it as 12. Like between 4 square, this is 3 square, 9, 12, 16, right? It is less than the 16 and greater than the 9. So take this. 3 3s are 9. 3 is left here. Write down the 25 as it is. Double the quotient, that is the second step. 3 2s are 6. Now left this one with appropriate. Now here is the 5. We know the multiple rules, right? So 5. I hope 65 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30, 31, 32. Yes, it's right. So here write 5 as here. This 5 as quotient. But put a point because of here included point also here. So 325. It is get 0. Now 3.5 is the answer for the given root over 12.25 as the answer. I hope you clear this. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.4 from the Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 1. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. We are familiar with the division method. So let's start here. 4489 root over, we have to find the answer. So let's take division method. 4489. So we have simple steps. One is the making pair bars. So start from left. Take 44 here. That is must be between two perfect squares. If you take 7 square, this is 6 square. 36 and 44 and this is 49. This is in between the 46 and 7. But here is the 36 is best for the division purpose. So 6 are 36. Now 44 minus 36 is gets 8 and 89 this. Now double the quotient, 6 2s are 12. Now we have to divide this number with a here and here quotient is equal 1. Now if it makes 9, it means 7 square also. 127 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 7 1s are 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, yes, it's perfect. So use this 7 here and this 7 as quotient. So 8, 89, it gets 0. Now quotient is 67. So therefore root over 4489 is equal to the 67. This is the answer for this one. Next, similarly this method also, root over 529 is equal to the how much? Take 529, make bar pairs. This is the single one. So 5 is in between 2 square and 3 square. 2 2s are 4. This is 5. 3 3s are 9. It is better. So 2 2s are 4. 1 is left, 129. Second step is double the quotient, 2 2s are 4. And in order to make 129, multiply with a one number, that is the quotient as well as the number also, that is in ones digit. So let's take 9 as in a ones digit. It must be a 3. 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. It's right. So it is the quotient as 3 and the ones digit as 3. 43 3s are 129 as I said 0. Therefore, perfect square 529 square root of is equal to the 23. Where is the quotient? 23 is the answer for this question. This is not the answer. Here this is not answer. Quotient is the answer for the given square root. Next here also. Root over 1024. Similarly, make the square root 1024. Make the bar pairs. Start from left. 10. 10 is in between the 3 square and 4 square. 9. This is 10. This is 16. So take 9 as possible. 3 3s are 9. 1 is left. Here 24. Write down as it is. Next step is quotient is double. 3 2s are 6. Now this empty space and this empty space is filled with a one number only, and that number is must be going to give this number as 0. So here 4. In order to get 4, we know that 2 is eligible. So I hope 62, it means 2 here. 2 in the quotient. 2 2s are 4, 6 are 12. 124. Yes, it's perfectly 62. This is 2. So 124. This is gets 0 again. Now, root over 1024 is equal to the quotient, that is 32 as the answer. Sorry. This is as the answer. Therefore, 1024 is equal to the 32. This is the answer for the given question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.4 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 2. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers. These are the numbers I took randomly. So we have to do is the square root of the given number. So we are familiar with the division method. So take 144 for the divisor method. Now here make pair bars. Here 1. So start with a 1. 1 ones are 1 and it is get 0. Take 44 as it is. Write down it in the down. And second step is make the quotient double. So 1 1 again 2. Okay. Now empty this space for the better divisible purpose in this step. So it is 2 might be because of in ones place we have 4. It is multiplied by only 2. So 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Yes. So here it is 2 and the 2 is here. 44 gets 0. Therefore, root over 144 is equal to the 12. Similarly, this method also. Here 27,225. Next is to find the bar pairs. This is the left one. So again it is by 1. 1 ones are 1. It is 1 and 72 as a pair. Write down it is in the next step. And second step is the quotient is double 2. Make this place empty. In order to find 172, here is ones place with the 2. But in this case we have to come to the near to this number. So I hope this is by 6 because of here is the 2. 6 6 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. If in case 26 into 7, 7 6 are 42. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 182. It is not possible. It is possible only 6 and 6. This is 1 6 as 156. Now 172 minus 156. 172 minus 156 is equal to the 16. Now use 16 here. 25 write it down as it is. Now double the coefficient again. 16 double means 32. Now here it is in ones place we have 5. So in order to get 5, 325 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 11, 12, 5 3s are 15, 16, 16, 25. Yes, it is exactly. So here is the 5, another 5 is at here. 1625. Here it gets 0. So the answer is therefore root over 20,225 is equal to the 165. This is the answer for this one. So this is about the division method for finding the square root of any number. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubt, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.4 from the Squares and Square Roots-8th class NCERT. Question number 3. Find the square root of the following decimals. These are the questions I took randomly for the finding of the square root for the decimal numbers. In earlier sessions, I already explained to you about the how to find a square root for the decimal numbers. Check the description box for that link. And now coming to here, this is the one. This is also similar to the division method. So let's take root over 7.29. We have to find the answer. Here also root over 42.25. Now take the division method 7.29. First step is to make the bar pairs. So this is the single one. It is in between the 2 square and 3 square. It means 2 2s are 4 and 7. This is 3 square 9. So it is best for the divisible method. So 2 2s are 4. It gets 3. Now write down as it is 29. Now second step is to double the quotient. So 2 2s are 4. Left this place empty because of this empty space belongs to one number only, that is here and here also. It is must be make the given number up to the 0. It might be or not be. So if you take here is the 9. So it might be 7 or 3. So let's start with the 343 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. No, it's not possible. If you take 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Yes, it's exactly 329 we get. So here is the number 47 and quotient also 7. 329, it gets 0. We found the answer as 7.29 root over is equal to the 2.7 as the quotient. Because of why it is a decimal in a quotient? Because of we are subtracting here decimal numbers in this remainder. So it is as 2.7 as the answer. Next, coming to this one. This is root over 42.25. Apply the same method here also. 42.25. First step is to make the pair bars from right to the left. It means one digit to any digit. So start from left side. So it is 42. It is in between 6 square and 7 square. See, 6 square 36, 42, 7 square 49. It is less than the 49 and greater than the 36. So use 36 is the better for the divisible method. So 6 6 are 36. Now 42 minus 36 gets 6. Write down the 25 as it is. And second step is to double the quotient. That means 6 2s are 12. Now here is the 5. We know that the divisible methods 5 gets by 5 only. So 125 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 12. 5 1s are 5. 6. 625. 625. This 5 is at here and this 5 is at here. Point is in between. 125, that is 625. We get the remainder as 0. Therefore, root over 42.25 is equal to the 6.5. This quotient is the answer. This is about this method. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.4 from the Squares and Square Roots-8th class NCERT. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. This is the area of a square, that is 441 meters square. We have to find the length of the side. We know that in a square, we have all sides are in equal length. It means 4 sides are equal in measure. So it might be it's called as a square, right? So if you take this is as a square assumption, all sides are equal in length, but area of the square is equal to the 441 meter square. What is the formula of area of square? A square. If you take this side as a, this side as a, this side as a, this is as a, we know that side by side, it means A by A. It means A into A is equal to 441 meter square. A square is equal to 441. In order to find A, we have to make it as square root for the given one. So this is the method applied to the step by step, then we will get the answer. So let's start with answer. Take the length of the each side or length of the side also. Each side of the square is equal to the A. Area of the square given 441 meter square. Therefore, A square is equal to 441 meter square. A is equal to root over 441 meters. Now, apply the divisible method here. So, take 441, make the bar pairs. Start from left. Here it is start from 2. 2 2s are 4. It gets 0 and write down the 41 as it is. Second step is here. Now double the quotient. Left this space for the 1. But here 41. Make it 1. Here also 1. Because of 41 into 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 4s are 4. 41. Here the remainder is 0. So quotient is 21. That is the answer. Therefore, A is equal to root over 441 meters is equal to 21 meters. This is the answer. Finally, the length of side of the square is equal to the A, that is equal to the 21 meters. So this is about the given question, and this is about the divisible square root finding method for the given one. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.4 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 7. In a right angle triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Then if AB is equal to 6 centimeters, BC is equal to 8 centimeters, find AC. Second one is, if AC is equal to 13 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters, find AB. This is about the right angle triangle. About the Pythagoras property also, we know that Pythagoras property in a right angle triangle. So let's take assumption here. So if you take a right angle triangle, let ABC is this. So if AB is equal to 6 centimeters for this, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So it is 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. This is leg 1. This is leg 2. It means AB. This is AC. From this we can write it as Pythagoras property. It means AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. It means hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the each leg. So, by using that property, we have to find the given one. But here is the useful to this one is AC. Here is AC square. So, in order to find AC, we have to make it as a square root. That is the one here we have to learn from here. So, let's start. So, AB is equal to 6 centimeters. BC is equal to 8 centimeters. AC is equal to, we don't know, find it. By using this formula, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, AC square is equal to AB square 6 square plus 8 square. AC square is equal to 6 6 are 36 plus 8 8s are 64. AC square is equal to 36 plus 64, we get 100. So AC is equal to root over 100. We know that 100, that is 10 by 10. AC is equal to 10 meters. So, centimeters. So this is the answer. Therefore, AB is equal to 6 centimeters. BC is equal to 8 centimeters. Finally, AC is equal to 10 centimeters respectively. Similarly, same Pythagoras property applied to this one also. So let's take AC is equal to 13 centimeters. Here hypotenuse is given and BC leg 2 is given, but we have to find the leg 1. That is simple, right? By using this formula. So AB is we have to find. By using same property, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now we don't know AB, so left it as it is. AB square plus BC square means 5 square, AC square 13 square. Now AB square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. Because of it gets transposed, it changes its sign also. AB square is equal to 13 square means 169 minus 5 square 25. AB square is equal to 144. AB is equal to root over 144. So finally AB is equal to 12 centimeters. This is the answer. Therefore, AB is equal to 12 centimeters. BC is equal to 5 centimeters. And finally, AC is equal to 13 centimeters respectively. So this is about the square root finding from the Pythagoras property. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.4 from Squares and Square Roots-8th class-ncert. Question number 9. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Here number of rows is equal to the number of columns. So R is equal to C. So it means if you take 4 rows, the columns also 4, right? So it gets square. It means it is in the form of square. It is a 500. We have to find the how many children found be left out of this arrangement. In this arrangement, 500 is not a perfect square. So there is a left of the children. We have to find the number of children who would be left. So let's start with the step-by-step procedure. So take number of rows and number of columns is as, I am taking these two as A. So that is equal to A. Total number of row and total number of columns, that is equal to A into A because of it is a square. It is also equal, right? Now A square is equal to 500. Given children's, we have to find A, that is root over 500. So take the divisible method for the finding square root. So make the pairs. Here 2, 5 is in between 2 square and 3 square, 4, 5 and 9. 4 is the better. So 2 2s are 4. Here 1 is left. Write down zeros as it is and make the quotient double. So 4 here. In order to get 100, we don't have another choice, but it is 4 2s. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84. If you take 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. It is higher, it is lower. So take 2 here and again 2 here. So it is 84. It remains 100 minus 84, it gets 16. So 16 is the remainder. It is the bigger one, so it has to stop up to here. So 16 is the remainder one. So here A is not a perfect square, that is 500 is not a perfect square. Therefore 16 children would be left out in this arrangement. That might be a square arrangement, right? So this is the answer for this one. So this is about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.